Welcome back to the course Scratch Programming for Beginners. Today we'll discuss code block event. We'll discuss mainly on message broadcast and we'll do some hands-on. Message broadcast is very powerful and very important when you are writing or programming a story. The different participants, that means sprite, are in conversation. During that period, you need to use message broadcast. So what is an event? An event is an action or occurrence organized by software. It can be generated by the system or by the user or in other ways. For example, mouse click is an event. So it's generating mouse click event. If you press any key on the keyboard, then it will generate a hardware event and the program associated to that particular hardware can recognize it. Here is the code editor. Under the code section, click on event. Inside that event, we have a message and broadcasting. So if I take broadcast and if I will take receive is later. So what I need to do, I need 2-3 characters here. Let's go for importing the sprite. So if I go for importing the sprite, click on people. So I'm taking this one. I need to take another two. Okay. So similarly go there and click on people and I am taking this one and I will take another one. Okay. So here people and let's say I'm taking Lusa. Okay. And this character is asking how are you? Okay. To the other sprite. So if I click here is already selected here, you know that. Now if I broadcast a particular message, so let's go to a starting point. If I click here and he will say what he will say, he will say how are you? Okay. So if I click here, not here, it's yeah, say how are you for 2 seconds. How are you all? Okay. So after that, that message should be broadcasted. Okay. So if I take broadcast and wait, okay. So what is my message? This message, if I create this message, how are you? How are you all? This is my message. Once the message is broadcasted, casting, and then the other two receiver will take it and will reply back. Okay. So go to the second sprite here, and if I take when I get that message, okay, I will give a reply like say I am fine. I am fine. And similarly, the third sprite will also give the same thing. So you can select the third sprite and then write the code. Otherwise, simply just drag and drop in that particular sprite. Okay. So here, if you select on that, the second one is already there. If I click on the third one, third character, the same thing is there. And if I go to the first one, we are just a starting point. So here, if I execute that, it's saying that how are you all? And the second and third one, the replying I am fine. Let's put a nice background. Here, if I import a background, let's say, yeah, let's say city or something like, yeah, maybe this one room, inside a room. Yeah. So I put here and put here, put here. Now I have nice background. I'm now executing the program. How are you all? And both are replying, I am fine. In this way, you can use the uh, message broadcasting. which is very powerful. And whenever you are programming or a story, that time you require this feature. Stay with me. This video is a part of video series based on the topic Scratch tutorial for the beginner. If you like this video, then please share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.